Welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10. So you may be asking yourself why exactly I chose to go with the third member from Speedmaster with the Torque Worm limited slip differential. After speaking to the guys, I found out that their cases are made of a A356 T6 aluminum and their bearing caps are a one-piece billet with a 12-point through bolt design to add a little extra strength. This being paired with their 1200 horsepower handling capability of the Torque Worm by using 6 pinion gears instead of 3 or 4 like most others in the industry made it pretty much a no-brainer. So that's exactly what the hell I was thinking.